Alright guys, I'm going to try my luck again on some of these mountain streams for some wild brook and wild brown trouts. I just wanted to say Merry Christmas to everyone. Hope everybody had a good Christmas, and just want to thank all the subscribers and people watching the videos and stuff. I think it's kind of neat, and I enjoy making them and editing them, and of course I enjoy fishing and shooting. But yeah, I just want to say thanks. So come along with me today, and maybe I'll get lucky and catch another wild trout or two today. Stay tuned. Oh, cool. Crap. I just spooked two walking up here. That's not good. It's exactly what I did not want to do. Oh yeah, got him. Stay on. All right, let's take him in the water. Let's get him down in here. Look at this little trout. I'll just sit down right here. Oh yeah. Check out. What do we got? Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful little brook trout, guys. Beautiful little brook trout. Awesome. Awesome. Let's get him back in the water. Shoot. Awesome little brook trout, guys. See you, buddy. Let's try to catch another one. Well, I got the skunk off. Maybe we can catch a couple more. Oh, got him. Stay on, buddy. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna sit down right here and check this guy out. Oh, this is such a beautiful brook trout, guys. Beautiful little wild brook trout. Look at this. Guys, look at this. Oh no. Well, there he goes. He's fine. Well, you saw it. Damn, I'm gonna catch another one. Maybe, if I'm lucky, I can get a decent cast in here, because I think there's a fish in here. Sun's in my eyes though. Damn. All right, there we go. This time of the year, though, it might not be in there. Water's moving a little fast. It's a deeper hole, but you got current, and they're probably trying to find no current like over there, but I'm not casting very well. Ooh, one's following it. Nope. One was following it, a little one. There, guys, I'm walking out different way I came in, and we're gonna try another little stream again. So stick around and see what happens. So I'm walking back still to the car for the last 20 minutes, and that dude riding a bike come up the hill behind me, scared the crap out of me because he's quiet. He was like all but on me, all but up on top of me, right here beside me before I even noticed he was there. I'm getting out of breath because I'm out of shape, but this is good for me. Been walking for like 20 minutes or so back to the car, but we're gonna try another spot. Well, guys, that's it for today. I caught 2 native brook trout, my first 2 native brook trout, so that was awesome. I tried to catch a brown, but it didn't happen. But yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. See ya.